If you want to learn the Christmas song step by step on the saxophone, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you all the notes, all the fingerings step by step. So I'm going to teach you the Christmas song in the key of G major. So we're going to start on G. And we're going to go all the way up to G with the octave key like this. So here's what the first few bars sound like. So we're only playing the notes of G major here. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, and we're in that one octave range. So there's a few different notes happening in this song, but in that first phrase, we're just playing G major. So we're starting on G, going up to G with the octave key, holding down the octave key, F sharp, E, D, C, and then playing B, playing that 3 times. The next part of that phrase is G up to E with the octave key, D with the octave key, C, release the octave key, B, A, G. So that's just the first part of the Christmas song. My name's Alexander Matthias from SaxophoneMasterclass.com, and if you want to get the fingerings, the note names, the sheet music for this song absolutely free, go and check out the link below this video, or just go to SaxophoneMasterclass.com/Christmas-song, and that's going to really help you with following along to this lesson. Alright, let's move on now to the second phrase of this section. So now we go back to low G, and this is what the second part of this section sounds like. And then we go back to the beginning of the song. So the first 2 bars here are G, G, A, G, A, B, D, E, F sharp, E, and then we go into E flat, play that twice, go up to F natural, E flat again, D, C, D, then D, C, B, A, down to G, and we go to the beginning of the song. So again, it sounds like this. Then we go into the second part of that phrase. And then we're just back at the beginning of the song. And then here is where it changes. We go into E again, but this time we're going to D instead of E flat. So we're playing D, B, E, D, C, down to F sharp, then up to G. So that is the first section of the Christmas song. We do a little different ending before we go into the second section. And in the second section, we're kind of changing keys. We're modulating, and we're going to be starting in the key of F major, which is F, G, A, B flat, C, D, and E. Remember, you can get these fingerings and the note names absolutely free. Just go to that link below this video, and I'll send you the PDF with the fingerings, the note names, and the sheet music for the Christmas song. So before we go into that second section, we play G, down to F sharp, up to G. And then we jump right up to F with the octave key. So we're playing F with the octave key, E with the octave key, D with the octave key, down to C, no octave key, up to D with the octave key. Then we repeat that G, F sharp, G. Jump up to the F and then repeat F, E, F, E, F, E 3 times, D, down to C, and then up to D again. Now we're going to continue, play that G, F sharp, G again. This time we're going to jump up to E flat with the octave key. So we're going G, F sharp, G up to E flat with the octave key, D with the octave key, E flat with the octave key, then D twice, then B flat, then to C. Then we're doing the side B flat, 2 fingers in the left hand, and this side B flat here. B flat up to middle C, down to B flat again. A 6 times, like this. So A 6 times up to B, then A 1 more time. So now we're modulating back to G major. We're using that B note to modulate back into G major. And all we're doing here is going back to the beginning of the song. So we're going B into G, and then we're just playing that phrase from the beginning 1 more time. So those first couple of bars are actually identical, and then it's just this very last few bars where it changes slightly. So we go F sharp up to G, like this. And this is what it sounds like. So we're going F sharp up to G, F sharp, G, A, G, A, B, then up to D with the octave key, E, F sharp, G, E, down to D, then G without the octave key, A, and then finally G. And that's how you play the Christmas song on the alto saxophone. But you can also play these different fingerings on any saxophone, whether you play tenor, baritone, or soprano. And you can download the sheet music, the fingerings, the note names absolutely free. Again, just go to saxophonemasterclass.com/Christmas-song. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson. Comment below if you did, and let me know what kind of songs you want me to cover. In the meantime, if you want to learn more holiday songs, check out this next video. And until next time, happy playing.